Here I've got Realme 6 Pro, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now click on language and region and select language. And as you can see here, you can just pick the language that you would like to apply. So for example, we can pick, let me pick Croatian, tap on done to save it, confirm that you would like to change system language. And as you can see, the default language has been changed, and here it is. Now you can smoothly use your device in Croatian. Everything has been updated. Then, if you would like to change it again, just go to the settings one more time, pick languages and input and region, go to languages, and now select the one that you want to have. So I will go back to English, and it's right here. Tap on done, and this is it. So that would be all. That's how you can change language in your Realme 6 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.